What's going on, y'all? Welcome to our channel, MF Cooking. Today we're making loaded Hashbrown Casserole. Enjoy the video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. Let's get cooking. For this recipe, you will need frozen shredded hash browns, breakfast sausage, bacon, red bell pepper, green bell pepper, yellow onion, green onion, Kobe Jack cheese, cream cheese, sour cream, heavy whipping cream, cream of chicken, salt, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, cayenne pepper, and chicken bouillon. Begin by dicing a half a yellow onion. Dice a half a green bell pepper. Dice a half a red bell pepper. Shred Kobe Jack cheese. Fry bacon until crispy. Once the bacon is done, remove it, add the onions and peppers, and saute for 2 minutes. Add the breakfast sausage and cook until brown. Once the sausage is fully cooked, remove it and drain the grease. Give the bacon a rough chop. In a large bowl, add an 8-ounce block of cream cheese, breakfast sausage, and bacon. Give it a mix. Next, add a bag of frozen hash browns and 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. Add 1 cup of sour cream and a 10.5-ounce can of cream of chicken. Add a tablespoon of chicken bouillon. Season with salt, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, and cayenne pepper. Add 1.5 cups of Kobe Jack cheese. Place the casserole in an oven-safe dish. Top with Kobe Jack cheese. Bake at 350 degrees for 45 minutes. And there you have it, loaded Hashbrown casserole. We hope y'all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And remember to tell everybody you know, them MFers be cooking.